What is going on, guys? So out here chilling with the iPhone 15 Pro Max here at the castle today. I'm gonna share some photos and videos with you guys. What's going on, YouTube? Markel here, back with another video. So this is my 15 Pro Max, iPhone 15 Pro Max. I've had now for a little over a month. And I recently had the opportunity to go to the castle here in Medellin. It's the Castle and Garden, and took the phone out there to take some photos and some videos, because that's the main thing people want to know about the iPhone. You know, social media, everybody's on social media now. Everybody's posting to YouTube, TikTok, and everywhere. So, you know, photo and video quality is a big thing now with all of these devices. So I recently, like I said, went to the castle and had the opportunity to take some photos and videos out there. There was quite a number of people out there as well, but just enjoying my day, enjoying my time out there. It's always a good place to go and hang out. It's only the equivalent of about $5 US if you just want to go in and hang out on the grounds. And if you want to go inside to go get the tour, it's another $1. So it's like $6 to do the tour inside the castle, which I didn't do this time. That tour is pretty long, pretty boring, to be honest with you. So just going outside and hanging out and taking these photos and videos with the iPhone were good enough for me. But in the time that I've had this device, I have to say, man, I'm really enjoying it. I pretty much have gone all Apple at this point and put my Android phones away. Unless I'm going out of town somewhere, you know, a couple hours away, I may take my SIM card out of my iPad mini and put it in another Android device, just to, like, probably the Pixel, to take some photos. But mainly now I just use my iPhone, or I use the camera that I'm using right now, which is the Sony ZV-1, to take photos. But you know what you're gonna get with an iPhone. It's pretty consistent, pretty simplistic. The home screen's been the same way for many years. Battery life is always awesome on these devices. That's why I picked the Pro Max for the maximum battery usage. And the overall camera quality itself is great. Now, when they added log to this and made it 10-bit, that made it even better. In this video, I didn't use any log when I was filming outdoors and posting a lot of the stuff to TikTok as well as Instagram Reels. But I just like to say, man, that I'm really happy with this device, with the battery life and the overall performance of this phone. I am on the beta, iOS 18, you know, with the Apple Intelligence and all that good stuff. So I will be doing a video about what I actually have on my iPhone as far as apps, because I did use one of my apps. It's called Mixcam. And pretty much it's like director's view for Samsung, or I forgot what they call it on some of the other camera apps on different phones, but it's basically where you can have the front camera and the rear camera working at the same time. And with this Mixcam, it's more like a green screen where you can move it around, make it bigger, make it smaller. You have a lot of options with that particular app. But overall, man, I'm really impressed with the iPhone, the way I use it. I know there are a lot of people out there that hate Apple and hate the pricing of things, but for me, it works. The ecosystem is the main reason why I get a lot of the Apple products, because everything is seamless. I can go from a photo from my iPhone to my iPad to my Mac to my watch. I mean, everything is seamless. I can connect earbuds to whatever I'm using, and it's all just seamless and right there together. So for me, a month of use with the iPhone Pro Max, 15 Pro Max, excuse me, has been exactly what I thought it was gonna be. I look for consistency, especially with the cameras and the video quality has gotten a lot better throughout the years. But overall, man, I can't complain. For those of you who have one, you pretty much know what I'm saying. Those of you who are watching, wanting to hate because you don't like Apple, that's cool. I mean, that is cool. I'm not a complete fanboy of Apple, even though I have a lot of Apple products. I still use my Android phones time to time, but if I had one choice, I'm gonna choose the iPhone. Okay, guys, so that's it for this video. Hey, I appreciate everybody watching as always. And until the next time, guys, I'm out of here. Peace. Enjoy the rest of your day. handheld footage, original microphones with the iPhone 15 Pro Max 1 month later here at the Castle and Gardens in El Poblado. Probably about 10 minutes from where I live. I can come out here. It's only like $5 to get in and just come out and relax. Find a spot where there's no tourists. Today there just happened to be a lot of tourists out, but typically during the week it's not a lot of tourists, but it is Friday. It is the flower festival, so you do get some people coming out here, but you get an idea of what it looks like and sounds like with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. No enhancements at all. All original colors using the native camera app and microphones. So, hey, I think it's great. The iPhone is no joke. You do have log. I'm not going to do any log in this video. Probably 2 months later if I don't end up getting the 16 Pro Max. But for right now, I'm loving the 15 Pro Max. No problems with this phone at all.